Wait, what was that?
In this video, you'll see what happens when you spill shepherd's pie with this dog around.
Whoa, baby, look what you have there. Someone spilled their dinner. Okay. Seconds after Benny arrives on the spilled sand, we see about no more than 10 peas left over.
This is a massacre. Peace.
You're welcome.
Very kind of Ben to leave us this much food over.
No, look, honestly, it's not a problem.
I'm hungry. I want to eat something.
Where's my dinner? Where's my dinner?
Oh, I thought it was for me.
Please subscribe with a thumbs up and click this link here for more funny videos.